Okay, what do you think? What does this monument mean? And to whom was it built? Huh? What do you think? Looks pretty strange, huh? As for me, it's quite a strange monument, and as I can say, many people in Moscow think the same way. This monument is devoted to Mikhail Sholokhov, the author of the famous and Nobel Prize winning Nobel Quietly Flows the Don. So this, according to the author of this monument, this is Mikhail Sholokhov, who crosses the Don in a boat, and those horses, not the horses, the heads of the horses mean the two separated flows of the Russian society during the Civil War of 1917-1922. Those horses show the division between people in the society during the Civil War in the first decade of the 20th century in Russia, and later Russian Empire fell apart and the USSR was eventually built. So that's a monument, quite a controversial monument, I'd say, and Mikhail Sholokhov as well. He won a Nobel Prize for this novel, Quietly the Dawn Flows, but he's quite a controversial figure because there were lots of legends, lots of theories about whether he is the real author of the novel, or one of the legends, one of the theories states that Mikhail Sholokhov met a person, an injured person in hospital, who gave him his the manuscript, and later he just put the name on this manuscript and published it as his own. But you know, yeah, lots of such stories are circling, but you know, the latest studies of Norwegian scientists pretty much show that Mikhail Sholokhov is the real author of the novel. So, but yeah, there are still some people who think the opposite way, and who don't consider him the real novelist, as the real author of Quietly the Dawn Flows. No, quite a monument here in the center of Moscow, on Gogolevsky Boulevard, and behind the building behind is the building is much older than this monument, and now it is one of the departments, one of the places where the Moscow Museum of Modern Art, you know, exhibitions are, and some of the exhibitions are held there in this building. Quite a museum actually, if you are a fan of modern contemporary art. So visit it just here near the Gogolevsky Boulevard.